Hi guys, and welcome back to another day on our allotment. Today is the day. We are planting most of our seedlings out today. Ones that should have been out over a month ago. However, as you probably all know, the weather has been freezing and we did lose a few things, but now we feel confident that we're going to be all right. I mean, please don't someone comment below and say that it's supposed to be freezing next week. Just don't tell me. We'll just pretend it's not. But we've just taken all the stuff, or most of the stuff, out of the greenhouse. I've still got a few more bits to take out and put it out here. We've bought stuff from my house, stuff from Mum and Dad's house, and it's all got to be planted out today. I just hope we've got enough space for it. We're going to give it all a good water because it has been in the greenhouse and it didn't get watered yesterday. It's very dry. Because although it's been raining a lot, it's still been quite warm. It's really warm in there. So I'll show you what we've got to plant out. So this is it. So we've got some sweet corn. We've got some, I think Mum said they're cabbages. This is the thing, Mum's bought stuff. I think these are some kind of pea, maybe. Here I am saying I'll show you what it is, and I haven't got a clue because this has come from Mum's. That looks like some kind of brassica, some kind of kale or something. Oh no, purple sprouting broccoli, that one. Oh, there you go, Mum's labelled them. I think these are some kind of bean. I know what these are because these have come from mine. These are Cavallonero kale. There's some flowers. That's some echinacea. There's sunflowers. These are peppers. So from a video that I did before where I planted out my peppers, I potted them on and left them in the polytunnel, and it froze that night and they all died. This is from that same lot, but I took them ones home, so they've been indoors, so they're all right. So they're not planting them out, they're gonna go in the greenhouse. I'm just running out of space, to be honest, at home. These are celeriac, I think they're celeriac. Some more beans there. These are more beans. I know we've got some cannellini beans, some borlotti beans. I can see the thing. So these are cannellini beans. We grew these from our seeds that we saved from the ones we grew last year. And then these ones are, I think these are borlotti. Yeah, these ones are borlotti beans. Got some spring onions. Look at them, desperate to go out. And this is where it all needs a good water. So this is Savoy cabbage. These are all squashes. They're kalettes. These are cosmos flowers. They look like kale. Are they from my house? Oh, I think these are the ones. These are from, yeah, these are the Cavallonero as well. So these ones actually were from the same lot as these ones. But them ones have been indoors and these ones have been in the greenhouse. So they're looking, I don't know, I've not grown it before, but they're looking like they should to me. What else we've got? We've got some, what's this one? Red something cabbage. Yeah, and these are, what they called? Calendula. They've got to go out. So yeah, all of this needs to go out. Right, so we've got this bed here that we were going to put sweet corn in, but it's quite a big bed and I don't think the sweet corn's going to take up the whole bed. So what we're going to have a go at is doing the Three Sisters planting. So I'll be honest, we've never done it, don't really know exactly what we're doing, but we're going to put the sweet corn in, then we're going to put some squash, because we've got lots of squash, so we might put them like one in each corner and one, maybe 6 in there. Maybe 4, we'll see. And then we're going to try growing some runner beans. We're going to grow, Mum. Yeah, runner beans. We'll try and put some. We will have. Huh? 29? Oh, it doesn't look like 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, yeah, 5, 10. Yeah, probably is. yeah, so then we're going to put some runner beans in as well and just give it a go, really.
Hey, won't you come along with me? I hear your neighbors, dogs is barking. Soon the country all around me come to look the same. There's a place from where they came.
Right, it's now about lunchtime and we've put out the sweet corn and a row of runner beans, and we're taking a chance and not fencing it off because we think we've secured the fencing at the back. We're going to put something across the gate and we're hoping that that's enough to stop the bloody rabbits. Also, that I've got stuff in my hand so I can't point, but we've also put some cannellini beans in there. But as I was saying, it's lunchtime. I need to go home now because I need to walk the dog, and I've got a few bits to do at home, but then I'm going to come back because we've still got all of that to plant out, which won't all get done today because where we want to put it needs a bit of weeding first. So hopefully though I'll get some more done later on. But yeah, home for lunch now. Right, I'm back. It's now about nearly 5 o'clock, so I'm just going to come down for an hour or so before having to go home and do the dinner. So I'm just going to put out the borlotti beans and make a start on weeding where the brassicas are going to go, and I might even pop some out as well, so we'll see.
Anymore for anymore. Hear the angels cry, but it's not his to sell to me, and it's not mine to buy. Hey, won't you come along with me? I hear a mister's voice is calling.
Right, I've just stood here for far too long trying to decide what to put in this space here, and I've decided to put the celeriac, so I'm going to put that in there and see what space I have available. Right, so today what we've done is sweet corn in with a row of runner beans. I will put poles in for them, and then we have put some runner bean seeds in between the sweet corn, so the idea is that they grow up the sweet corn when that grows big, and then we are going to put some squash in there as well. And then over here we've got the borlotti beans. I've put a row of cannellini beans back there. This is celeriac that I've just put out, and then this is cannellini beans as well, and then I have put some cannellini beans on the inside, like some actual seeds as well. And then we've got a row of runner beans there, which I'm going to put some string from there to there to give them something to grow up. And then Mum planted these out the other day, so these are beetroot. And then I've just put out some spring onions. What a faff they were. I'm not planting them in a tray again. It's so faffy to get them out, so but the idea was to get a head start, so that's that. And then over here I've just put out some Cavallonero kale as well, because we were going to put something else, another brassica in there, but I thought I'd do them because they fit actually quite well, because obviously I need to put in my pumpkins here that are going to grow over the arches, so they're in as well. And that's the kohlrabi. So that's all I've got time for today. There is still quite a lot, show you, to go out. Most of it is brassicas. God, look at these little bits here. So we're going to leave it out anyway. It's going to stay out overnight. just it's been hardened off during the day, but we're going to leave it on there, and then hopefully in the next couple of days I can get the bed sorted, ready for the rest of that stuff to go out. I'm going to do my next video. I'm going to do a tour, because I haven't done a tour for a while because nothing really changed, but now we've got lots in, lots growing. I can give you a tour of this plot and the other plot, update on our potatoes and stuff like that. So yeah, that'll be the next video to go up, so make sure that you are subscribed and push the little bell, because then you get notified when I upload, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.